that basically if you we should use one anastomosis, so you cannot be miser inside out on the outflow, because as you come from the outside in, there's a vessel. As we are going inside out, the intimal flap cannot be there cannot be any intimal dissection, so you are safe in that way. We will show how to do the arterial and venous anastomosis, and that will be demonstration on the PTFE graft followed by cadaveric, artery and veins. Please read the detailed disclaimer and description, and these videos are meant or arrange in a setup. I hope all of you have watched our previous series on the basic and advanced suture. You can easily get it from your CTBS colleagues, and you should always practice 60, 70 or 50 at max. And one chance, I hope I was able